In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from the Binance cryptocurrency exchange to your bank card. To send money, I will use the P2P method. To send money to your bank card, you need to select a wallet on the Binance homepage. Select Overweave to view your Binance account holdings. To send money to a bank card, you need to have USDT in your account. This is the dollar on the Binance exchange. The minimum amount to send money to the card is $10. If you don't have USDT, then you can exchange any cryptocurrency for USDT. For example, I will exchange Tron cryptocurrency for USDT. Select the trade category and open spot. Click on USDT and search for Tron, or any other cryptocurrency you want to exchange for USDT. Create a sell order with a minimum amount of $10. After that, swap Tron for USDT. After the transaction is executed, an amount of USDT will appear in your wallet. Using USDT, you can send it to your bank card. To send money, select the trade category and open P2P. Select More and add payment methods. Click Add a payment method. Select the name of the bank that issued your bank card. After that, a window will appear for filling in the data. Last name and first name will be filled in automatically based on the registration of your Binance account. You need to enter your bank card number, 16 digits, and in the lowest line, enter the last 4 digits of the IBAN number. This IBAN number can be found in your bank's personal account for your bank card, or ask for the IBAN number from the bank that issued your bank card. After entering the data, save it and return to the P2P section. Select Sell to send money to your bank card. Select the currency of your card and after that, choose the name of your bank. Select the country of your bank card. And after that, enter the approximate amount you want to send to your bank card. This amount must be equal to the minimum amount of $10 or more. The best rate for sending money will be displayed at the top. After that, click Sell USDT. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send to your bank card. But if USDT is not available, then click Add Funds. Transfer USDT from the Fiat section to Funding. After that, re-enter the amount you want to send to your bank card. For example, 11 USDT. This amount will be automatically converted to your card currency. And at the bottom will be written the amount you should receive. After that, click Sell USDT. A new order opens. A timer will be displayed at the top. During this time, you should receive 11 USDT on your bank card. The amount will be sent in the currency of your card. If you do not receive the money on your bank card during this time, then the order will be closed and you will be able to repeat the transaction with another seller. During this time, the entered amount of money will be sent to you. And after that, a new payment received button will appear. Check your credit card balance. If it has been replenished, then click on this payment received button. But if you haven't received the money on your bank card, then click Report. I received my 11 USDT on my bank card. The money was sent taking into account the currency of my card and the exchange rate. After that, you can click on the Payment Received button. To confirm the transaction, you need to enter a code from the Google Authenticator app, or another method you chose during the setup of your Binance account. The money has been successfully sent to a bank card. In this way, you will be able to send any amount of money to your bank card. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.